Welcome to the Queen C channel, guys. Today I'm here with another video. We're making some General Tso's chicken, my favorite, homemade. So right now you see the chicken. I got a pre-seasoned cut. And now I have it in the fryer, frying it up.
One eternity later.
And now we have the stir fry. I'm stirring it up. Excuse me, guys. I'm hungry. Stirring it up, making sure it's nice and caramelized. You want it to be a nice texture and nice and smooth and nice and mushy to go in the mixture. So there you go. See me sauteing it up. Sauteing it up. Sauteing it up. Now there we go, the finished product with the fried chicken and the stir fry. And you see it's nice and golden brown. About to mix it up. So there you go, guys.